this ugly person.
Hey, Agent Lever Gaming here. Hey, Agent Lever Gaming here, and welcome to Robin's video. I forgot to bring my YouTubing stuff, so yeah, sorry I'm not making my own video. I will get that to you soon.
And
also, by the way, check out my new merch. It says Everlast, totally not Everlast merch.
don't check out that merch, it's not true. If you do, I'll break your finger!
Merch.
Sorry, he's going a bit crazy.
Yes. Yes. What the?
If you didn't know, I changed my avatar for some reason, guys. I'm at TV. Let me see, do I have enough of this minigun? Can you not even buy this? Where's the Mega VIP? Can I please buy the Mega VIP? Oh, does that mean I can get the minigun? Sorry guys, that's all my Robux gone. You staring at me? Whoa. Yeah guys, it's a TV with a gun, you scared? I don't know why guys, but when I put away my gun, I die. Now let's check out this. Let's go to the minigun. I know that Levi, he likes miniguns, so I'm doing this one just for him. Are you ready, guys? Can I actually kill someone with this? Oh, come to daddy, people! Come to daddy! Can't even see. I can't kill people. But anyway, Slenderman. Did I get him? No. Sorry guys, it's so loud. I'll turn it down. Let's get this guy. Oh yes, I got him.
What is that game?
That Era 51. It's scary. Alright guys, I don't know why, but when I put down the gun, I die. Anyway, what's this? Let's...
I'll show you. Am I joining noobs?
Levi, do you dare me to use this?
Yes.
Alright guys, let's test this out. Did I seriously use my Robux just for these crappy guns? Guys, please buy my group shirts and did you talk about Area 51 scary? Guys, can you please buy my shirt? So yeah, and I can give you some Robux. Cause yeah, I just wanna show how much I love you guys. If you can see
this one?
video. Yes. How do you have a free deagle? Did I keep letting her in.
I left you Fortnite dance.
Okay, yeah, put it away.
Guys, and stop watching videos on the internet, start watching videos on TV.
200 health boost and 20 speed boost. Levi, what do you dare me to use? The ray gun? Hey Levi, you want the free ray gun?
Yeah.
Alright, coming. Let's go. Alright. Bow to me. Alright. Levi, let me see. Can you actually get in here? Come here.
No, it was.
I can let you in because the door will open if I go in. Alright, hurry up. You ready? I'll keep opening it. I'll keep opening it. Oh, you need to buy it. Alright, guys. If you give me your if you buy my shirt, I can give Levi some Robux, and then if you buy it again, I'll do a giveaway. Or just type in the comments if you just want me to do the giveaway.
Right, am I allowed any guns?
I'm not sure. Do you just want to leave if you can't get any? Wait.
There's a hidden legendary ray gun. Let's go.
Which I already have. Wait a minute, what gun should I bring along? Because I need to bring a gun along so that we don't die.
That green one.
That one?
Yeah. I accidentally opened it. What's going to happen to me now?
No. So Levi, you're gonna have to.
She has fat legs.
No, Levi. So you're gonna be the one who has to open the doors up, because I can't. If I put this away, I'm dead. Why can't you see my gun? Look at me.
I don't know.
Look at me. Am I just look? Am I?
Yeah, you're just holding air.
You're messing with me now, aren't you?
It's Jeff. Jeffy just died.
Jeffy! Jeffy, that's what you get for not eating your green beans.
Everybody eat your green beans! Ah! Zombie!
That's what you get, Jeffy, for not eating your green beans.
Jeff is back! It's Slenderman! Slender's following me!
Where's Slenderman?
Back here, in that room.
Slenderman, you get that for not eating your green beans. What's this? TDM! It's Satan! Look at him. He was Hulk. It's Satan! I said in chat, it's Satan. That's Jason.
There's someone hanging!
Hanging? It's a zombie.
Jason dead.
Can you actually turn down your music? Your sound, because I don't like it how it's super loud.
Ah! Oh my god, he's following me!
I'm coming with a gun. I just keep running around and Mission failed, man.
Mission failed, man. We'll get him next time.
I want to try out the MP40.
Oh, I went somewhere cool.
Find the hidden weapons. Do not touch the dead bodies when you kill the monsters.
Mate, don't go down there. I went to the teleport button. The green teleport button.
Where? Did you get into the mega?
No, turn.
Oh, I thought you got into the mega. I was like, you could have got a gun. TV's on the way. Oh, look, there's a gun up there. Go up there. There's a gun up there. Go up there.
Oh, up there?
Yeah. I'll try and save you. But be aware there are people up there.
There are spiders?
No, there actually are. There are these great. There's something there. Can you see? Look. Can you see?
Yes.
I'll go up there first and check. Let me go up there first, okay? I'll check what's there.
Spooky, scary skulls.
If I can even get out. Ouch! Alright, just gotta go up. It will take a little bit of damage down.
Okay.
I'm waiting up here. I'm not sure if it will kill you. Is it there on your screen?
Yeah, I saw the claws.
I can hear a zombie.
Yes. It wasn't there.
Alright, come on, let's go. I'm getting pulled by something. Crap, no, let's go.
Run. No. Where?
Oh, can you look down there? Because I can't really see. Look down there. I can't really see with your mouse. Is there like something down there?
Clear.
Oh, there's a gun. We got a shotgun. Oh, there's something. Oh, I can see something. Check there. Look.
What happened to me?
Look. Don't put the gun away, because then you die.
Will I lose my shotgun?
Yeah, you'll die.
Oh my goodness, look at my screen.
Yeah, I'm just gonna check down here.
I'm gonna put in a word crime.
It's like the gun shoots you when you put it away. Like your pocket activates the trigger.
No, okay, Nate. Do you want to play the other SCP game?
Okay. Oh my god, why does she have, why are you walking in bare feet? There could be poison on the ground. I'm TV, I have a static. And she's like, I don't care. Levi, look.
I love being Chaos Insurgency.
There might be poison on the ground. Put shoes. There might be poison on the ground. Put shoes. Shoes. Put shoes on.
Put some shoes on.
Lady. Goodbye. Alright, I'm leaving. Alright. Wait, you want to play that one where I was beatboxing and I had like theme?
What's that one?
I'll get it up. Alright guys, I'm just gonna make a part 2 right now. Goodbye.